Hello everyone, my name is Aditi. The project is on DFT and DCT algorithm on images. So DCT represents an image has a sum of sinusoids of varying magnitude and frequency. For this reason, DCT is often used in image compression applications. So as we are only concerned with digital images, we will restrict this discussion to the DFT also. So DFT is a sample Fourier transform and therefore does not contain all frequency forming image, but only set of samples which is large enoughly to fully describe the special domain images. So as you can see in the flow chart, the steps for compression procedure. First, we are going to start and take an image to be compressed. Then we will make sub images of 8 by 8 block each. Then we will perform DCT on each sub images. Then we will quantize and round off each transform sub images. Then put them into standard formatting by labeling. Then place them in zigzag order and code the transform images. Then images compressed. So DCT is a technique for image compression which perform efficiently at medium bit. Using DCT block cannot be correlated at the boundaries. So basically, DCT expresses a finite sequences of data points in terms of a sum of cosine functions oscillating at different frequency. And Fourier transform is important image processing tool which is used to decompose an image into sine and cosine component. So we get the output in the form of the images by frequency or a Fourier domain, while the input image is special domain equivalent. So DCT is the heart of the International Standard Lossy Images Compression algorithm, also known as JPEG. And DFT the discrete Fourier transform, which is fully described in the special domain.
Hello, my name is Madhav. I am going to say advantage of FFT. FFT is abbreviated as fast Fourier transform. FFT is a much faster version of the DFT algorithm. Various fast DFT computation techniques are collectively known as FFT algorithm. It is an implementation of the DFT. FFT application includes integer and polynomial multiplication, entering algorithms, computing isotropic distribution, calculating Fourier series coefficient, etc. While DFT stands for discrete Fourier transform. DFT is the discrete version of the Fourier transform. It is the algorithm that transforms the time domain signal into frequency domain components. It establishes a relationship between the time domain and the frequency time domain representation. Application of DFT includes solving partial differential applications, detection of the targets from data, radar echoes, correlation and analysis, computing polynomial multiplication, etc.
Now let's see some examples of DCT and DFT. As this is the well-known cameraman image, we will apply DCT algorithm on this image. After writing a bit of code, we get a DCT output image. We can see the clear picture, but some minor details are lost. So the output image is identical to the original image, but low resolution version of it. Now let's see an example of DFT. After applying a DFT algorithm to the image, we can see the text in the image is almost unreadable. So as we can say, the DFT gives better compression than DCT. After applying some threshold, we can only see the pixels which are greater than threshold value. All other pixels are turned black. In this side-by-side comparison, we can clearly see that DFT gives greater compression, but details in the image are almost gone. But in DCT, compression is less and we can see the whole picture and losses are not affecting too much.
These are some application of DCT and DFT algorithm. Audio signal processing. In audio signal processing, it is used for audio coding, audio data compression, lossy and lossless surrounded sound, digital sound and speech processing. Geographical transient electromagnetics. Medical technology. In medical technology, it is used for electrocardiographic, that is ECG, and vector cardiographic, that is VCG. It is also used for medical image compression and brain tumor image compression. Signal processing. Signal processing used for digital signal processing, analog to digital converter, signal to noise ratio conversion, pattern recognition. Vehicular. Black box camera. Watermarking. Watermarking is used for digital watermarking, video watermarking, 3D video making. Wireless technology. In wireless technology, it is used for mobile devices, smartphone, radio frequency technology. Biometric biometric use for fingerprint orientation, facial recognition, and extra. Wireless sensor network. It is used for wireless aquatic sensor network. There are many applications based on DCT and DFT. The given table shows the compression PSNR of DCT and DFT of some images. PSNR is peak signal to noise ratio is defined as maximum possible power of a signal and power of corrupting noise that affected to representation of an image. The given graph shows power spectral of DCT and DFT. In DFT, the power is increased and constant at some point then decreased, whereas in DCT, power spectral is constantly increases. The magnitude of power spectral density of DCT is more as compared to DFT. In DFT and in DCT, the compression ratio is not good, therefore the quality of image is not good.